Yes, selection of your race entry is one of the most critical factors in a derby, especially in the young bird, YB category. Why? Because in YB races, the pigeons are still developing both physically and mentally. They don't yet have the full maturity, body resistance, and homing experience that old birds have. That means your choice of which bird to enter can make or break your result. Key points in YB selection. 1. Health and condition. Even if your bird has strong bloodline, if its health is compromised, it will underperform. Clear eyes, soft feathers, strong muscle tone, and clean throat are non-negotiable. 2. Training response. Some YBs recover faster, orient better, and show more eagerness in road training. Those indicators usually separate an ordinary flyer from a potential champion. 3. Mental toughness. Young birds differ in stress resistance. The derby environment means transport, basketing, long waiting times, and tough weather. A calm but sharp-minded pigeon usually performs better. 4. Bloodline and breeding. While performance and training is primary, bloodline still matters. Certain families, like Jansen, Van Loon, Koopman, are naturally fast learners or quick recoverers. This increases your chance of success, if combined with right conditioning. 5. Consistency. The best YB is not always the fastest in one toss, but the one that performs steady across multiple trainings and shows ability to handle different wind and weather conditions. In short, selection is not about picking the strongest-looking bird, but identifying the one with the best combination of health, mental stability, recovery, and consistency. Tagalog explanation. Napak importing selection in entry Emolalo na sa young bird derby. Bake it? Kasi sa YB category. NASA stage Palang in development on MGA Iban. Wallapa Silang full maturity at homing experience. Kaya kung sino on papillion mong lumaban ang malaking factor kung yui at makikapag sa BACA. MGA critical na basehan sa selection in YB. 1. Condition kalusigan. Kate Maganda on dugong Iban. Kung may konting diferensya sa baga. Balahibo o condition in Katawan. Bag Sakagab performance. Dapat malawanag on Mata, Makinis at Malambat on Balahibo. At Buo on Muscle. 2. Training results. Hindi Lahaing YB Pante. Young Mablis Mag Recover SA Toss. Magang Dumerating SA Training. At Hindi Nawal SA Ruda. Sila Young May Edge SA Derby. 3. Mental Nakatatagan. Ong YB Derby as stressful. Ma Bang Bai Init Lamig Lan at Madagal SA Basket. Young Calipating Calmado Pero Alerto on Utac. Sila on Nakakain Ito. 4. Dugo at Lahi. Kate India Absolute. Malaking Talong Kung Galing SA Bloodline Nakilal SA YB Racing. Mas Mad Ali Silang Turuan at Mas Mablis Macapag Adjust SA Condition. 5. Consistency. Hindi Sapat na Minsan Lam Maganda Lipad. Young Iban na Paulatula Maganda on Resulta SA Training at Stable SA IB8 Ibang Sitwasian. Siya ang Mas May Chance SA Carrera. Sa Madaling Salida. Hindi Sapat Young Maganda Lang on Katawan. Ong Tamong YB entry ay Young may combination in Lakas and Katawan. TB ing a sip, Billising recovery at Tuloy Tuloy na performance. Urdu translation.